Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of Kyle today. Kyle's been trading with us from 17th of May 2021, and this is the journey up to 19th of July 2021. So this is the journey of Kyle, 19.59% gain and 0.28% and a balance of 4.41% drawdown. Kyle's traded only 62 times, and let's look at the advanced statistics. We've won 32 out of 62, which represents 52% gain, and lost 30 out of 62, which represents 48% gain. So this is a very good attempt. And monthly analytics, minus 3.61% in May, a big gain in June for 18.06% in June, and July 5.09% gain. So this is a very good attempt and well done. Let's look at a few trades. So we have pound and we have pound yen and we have Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. And one thing I like about Kyle is using stop losses, which is very good discipline. And let's look at the gains Kyle's had. Can you see 5 days, 16 hours, 40 pips, 147.8 pips, 12.3 pips. So Kyle's having very consistent gains here. And this is down to discipline and an important mindset as well. So you can see Kyle's not really got a lot of history here, but as we can see, this is very precise and disciplined, just like the way I trade as well. With a stop loss, he's got a few hits, but look at his strike rate. He's still getting his gains in. He's been a bit cheeky here by going 0.55%, which is a flag, and he will be having a conversation with the risk manager because 0.55% is above their leverage limit. So Kyle will be having a conversation, but it's a good attempt, but I will not recommend people follow Kyle's review way of trading in that sense. So you're given a warning, Kyle, so it's not going to be anything catastrophic. But in future, it will have penalties if you go over the required lot size and market exposure. That will eat into your 10% and a conversation with the risk manager, and it could probably even have you disqualified from the program. So just something to note on board, Kyle, but let's not take nothing away from your achievement. And personally, I will let this slide. I will not let it go any further because this is a very good trading account statement. And based on that, I'll give it grace because you clearly know what you're doing, but there's being too smart as well. So we don't recommend that because it's just bad habits that will encourage other traders to do this. So Kyle, we're not gonna do that. So we'll let you get away with that. So, but apart from that, Kyle, congratulations, and you've done very well with this attempt. So I know you can do better. So let's see what we can do moving forward because you're doing very well in trading these pairs. So what can you do by looking at what to improve? Nothing really, because look at your strike rate. You won 52% of your trades and lost 48%. But you've had very high gains on certain pairs. And look at all the pairs you've traded. So Kyle, the only thing I'll recommend going forward to make you a successful trader, stick to the pairs that brought you the most pips. That's the US dollar CAD, US dollar yen, CAD yen. All the rest help you diversify, and we can probably take pound yen into consideration. But Kyle, this is a great attempt, and I know you'll be a very successful trader in the future. So congratulations moving forward, and your journey of AudaCity Capital's just begun. I know it can only get better from this point. So Kyle, I wish you all the best. Nothing less than the absolute best. Because being one of our traders now, this is a very great attempt. I just don't even know the words to use to describe this moment. But you know, I see you on 60,000 now. 120,000 is just around the corner and you're not far from it. So I look forward to seeing you on the six-figure level very soon. Congratulations, Kyle, and well done.